different things are happening here. We are testing. We are adding a new feature. So change to SQL Alchemy, adding change to SQL Alchemy, add write forecast function and test. Okay, but the only thing is that I want to remove obviously everything from I want to remove like the data related to test. I mean, I don't want to you get my idea, right? I mean, I want to remove the data that we are externally adding to the table in our test. That's not how it should work. And I mean, if we want to make this in a productive environment, we need to do a lot of different things, but we are simplifying things. We need a dev environment, we need to do different things, but in this case, in this particular case, we are using the same table and we are removing the data that is being written by our tests. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so what we need to do is get a string connection. I don't know if I can like simplify some things, because for example, I was thinking that maybe I can create I mean, that's prettier. That's prettier. I mean, this is not entirely related. This is more like let me see. I mean, this is awful. I don't like this. No, I think it's no, because we need to import the engine, the create engine. Yes, we can use a class, but no. Yes, that's what I was looking for. Oh my god. This is so exciting. I really like this. Okay, a string connection. So we need to and this is beautiful because we will naming this timescale connection, and this is a context manager, so we need to add this thing from context leaf abcd. Okay, okay, from okay, from context. No, I mean, this is a first party because we are doing the right things. Okay, so then we need to do this. Okay, engine. Yes, the engine is a create engine. Perfect. This works. Beautiful. Times called can, and then obviously and we are ready to test this using our tests, and that's correct, that's obviously correct, because it doesn't exist anymore. I mean, why? Timescale connection. Okay, in fact, we don't need to change the tests yet. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Git add feed. I don't know, it's like refactor, our conventional commits refactor. Okay. I mean, I don't remember. No, there is not like a refactor. Fit must be optional scope. This is when it is a breaking change, right? So breaking change, core, fit. Okay, fit, use abstract connection. Why is my draw format thing not working? It's frustrating. I'm very frustrated about that, and I don't want to fix that right now because I need to get notes. What is that? Oh my god. So we were including a test for our connection. So we want to remove our tests, right? What is this? I mean, this is a pretty good test, actually. Right, no? Like, where symbol, exactly. It's a very good test. Let's add it. I'm excited. What's happening here? I get it. Okay. So delete from the forecasts. And let's see if remove I think I need a cursor instead of a connection here. Delete from forecasts where symbol, exactly. Oh my god, we are connected. But this is a connection. I need a cursor. No. And how to remove rows. And be set right now. Text. Where is this text? No. And it's execute. But why do we need the text? Okay, okay, I get it. It's execute, right? It's execute. Okay. It's okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. From SQL Alchemy, import text, and here we are adding this text thing. And hopefully, oh my god, everything is working now. And we need to commit those changes. No, my god. Commit. We are committing to removing that. Okay. And that's it. I mean, we want to test that we are actually removing the data, like a meta test. I don't know. Let's do those tests for now, and let's see if we are coverage. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so exciting. Let's see what happens with our, oh my god, this is so exciting. Git add it's test, remove data, test data. Okay, perfect. Line, which line? 26? 26, okay. Okay, Roof, you got it. You asked for it, and you got it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to improve my beam skills. I can be faster. Can be faster. Okay. So good news. Good news. Awesome. So everything is tested now. So we want to write forecasts. So what else? What else? What else? Okay. So what else? I think we just need to generate the forecasts. I'm so sorry about that, but I'm going to take a little break, just 10 minutes. Thank you. So we are back. We are back. Let's see what we can achieve in this section. So basically, we have the three parts, right? So if we imagine how this would look like, so basically we want to read our data. We want to create the forecast data frame. And then we want to write the forecast, right? I don't want to add this data frame. I think I don't like it. Okay. Create forecast. Create forecast. Write forecast. Create forecast. That's the pipeline that we want, right? And as you can see here, our I don't know how it is called, but that thing that is showing there is telling us that create forecast is not defined, so we need to implement that function. So let me just comment this because and we need to change our test just because we changed the name of our function. What happened with my byte? I need to add these two, and this should work. No, Roof, no me hagas esto. Okay, everything pass. Okay, so the final part, creating forecasts. Okay. What's happening? Okay, so create forecasts. Something I wanted to test before doing that is I need to make sure, or at least I need to see what's the format of the date column, because I think that might be important. It's data imperfect. That's all I wanted to know. So okay, then let's generate some forecasts. So the first thing we need to do is to install the Nixtla library. Oh my god, I love it. MNOP. So Nixtla. Just pip install Nixtla and pip install. Okay. And then we come back to our okay, this thing, and then from Nixtla import Nixtla a client. Okay. It receives a pandas data frame, and then Obviously we need a horizon int. I think we can pass it later. Forecast h equals to h. Oh my god, that's all what we need. I mean, no, why? Just those lines of code. No, really? Oh my god, okay. Okay. Yes, because we need to set up like the API key, but the API key is an environment variable, so we don't need to include it. Maybe the only thing that we need to do yes, we need to create this unique item. Okay, I'm going to open my tests because I need to start updating things. So unique item, and then we need to generate this from the unique item. So we need symbol, comma, price type. Exactly that. And here we need unique ID. So in this case, write forecast receives unique item. But in this case, I'm thinking I want to use something more appropriate, more. Yeah, let's use 2. So in this case, I need to add unique ID as exactly. That's exactly what I was looking for. And we are writing the forecast. Okay, this should work, right? Right. No module named Nixtla. Oh my god, I don't like this. I'm not liking this. What's happening? Okay, let me do something because it is installed Nixtla, so I just want to make sure that okay, column must be the same length as key. Interesting. In write forecast, right? Yes, so we need to, that's exactly what I was looking for. Exactly. So this should work. Let me check the error again. So symbol, price type. Oh, I got it. So we didn't update the splitting symbol, and it was, that's why our tests are very important. Are very important. Okay. Okay, it works. So next to client. So why is it not installed next to client? Beam, okay. Main. So we are using Nixtla right now. Oh my god, this is so exciting. So basically, what I'm thinking is that we can, instead of doing this, we can just use like forecasting pipeline. Pipeline, okay, which receives a horizon, then we read the data, then we forecast the data, and then we write forecast, and just like that. And that's our forecasting pipeline, okay? And we can, just to see what's happening, read data from timescale. Then write forecast to timescale. Exactly. Okay. So obviously we need to update this. This is just to explain what's happening, because it's very easy. Like, okay, I'm reading data from timescale, I'm writing data to timescale, and I'm using Nixtla in the middle of everything. Read data from timescale and then write forecast to timescale. Let's add everything at the end, but I just want to make sure everything is working correctly. Awesome. And let's just to let's use fire. Fire UV pip install fire. Then fire, and then if name equals to main, so from fire, no, import fire, import fire, and then fire.fire for custom pipeline. Okay. Do you think this will work? Horizon, let's predict 12 steps ahead. Oh my god, no. This is not going to work because I need to add the keys of Nixtla. So I need to go to API keys, copy one, and use it as an environment variable. But I'm gonna just do that really quick. Nixtla API key, okay, let me do that very quick. Okay, so I set up the, let's see if it works. It didn't work, and I know why. Because, and it's a very important part. So we are using unique ID, but obviously we need to use time call equals to date, and ID call equals to, no, ID call is simple, right? And time call, target call, oh my god, target call, it's price. We are forecasting the price. And what else? Basically, perhaps we just want to unique ID, date, price, right? We don't need more information. And in this case we are returning unique ID. Unique ID, date, price, perfect. And let's just check these tests, because the tests are the foundational thing of everything. I mean, if we have good tests, we can iterate really fast, really fast. So let's see what's happening here. That's interesting. Index, get log. I hate typos. I hate typos because, I mean, and that's one of the things about like pandas in general. It's very difficult like to predict this kind of errors because I don't know. Do you think it will work? That's pretty interesting. we are dealing with daily data. Perfect. This is pretty cool. Oh my god. One, because Nick's last time GPT worked pretty cool. I mean, we generate the forecast and everything. It was more like an error of what? Let me fix. I'm very excited. So basically, forecast df here contains the columns unique ID, date, and time GPT. So instead of calling it time GPT, we need to rename. No, time GPT, and it is forecast, right? Forecast. Let's see our SQL schema. Yes, it is forecast. Perfect. In fact, yeah, no, I mean we can include this here instead of here. I mean I think that's better. Yes, because I mean this is only. I mean, this is part of the pre-processing step, right? It's not part of the forecast step. So I think we can include that. And we need to update the tests because here it's forecast. I mean, time GPT instead of forecast. Time GPT. And let's again see if our tests pass. Oh my God. Okay, and then we are ready to test this again. Oh my God. Oh my God, it worked. And let's see our table. Let's see, select that. Oh my God, these are TimeGPT forecast, people. I'm so excited about this. We did it. It worked. And oh my God, this is amazing. I'm very excited. I mean, it worked. Okay. Git status, git add .auth. I'm gonna add everything. I don't care. Feed add forecasts. Oh my God. Perfect. And then what I want to do next. I need to push this, but I need like everything to be good, perfect. And by that I mean tested. And I want like the coverage to be at least 80%, right? I love it. Perfect. I think we are ready. Okay. I mean, I really want to add a test for the forecast pipeline because I think it's very important. I mean, test could be I mean the main problem here. I don't know why it's not working. No problem. Yes, because I mean, if I do this, obviously, I think it will work. I mean, I don't know, we can test, but I think I will be duplicating results. I mean, duplicating forecasts. Yes, it works. And I mean, what we can do for the forecast, I mean, yes. I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, we need to this is what I want to do. I want to push this to GitHub. I want to make sure that the test run correctly. I think I want also to document the README a little bit just to say what we are doing here. And next week I will try to make it to do forecast and the whole process in real time. I mean, the second part is this one, like connect to WebSocket servers and so on. And I want to do that. And I want to make forecast like in real time. And so for this part, I mean, I think this is a success. We did it, woo! Because yes, we basically are showing how to add foundational models to foundational time series models to timescale. And as you can see, it's pretty straightforward, at least with Nix last time GPT, because this block of code, basically you have like to read the data from timescale, then you call your forecast, and then you write your forecast to timescale, and that's the forecasting pipeline, right? And yeah. So I'm gonna do that. Obviously, you can see me how I do that, and I think it's pretty straightforward. I think I'm gonna add the environment variables to our GitHub repo. Something related